The first book of Psalms, chapter 26, verses 1 to 12. The first book of Psalms, chapter 27, verses 1 to 14. The first book of Psalms, chapter 28, verses 1 to 9. The first book of Psalms, chapter 29, verses 1 to 11. And the first book of Psalms, chapter 30, verses 1 to 12. By David. 1. Judge me, Lord, for I have walked in my integrity. I have trusted also in the Lord without wavering. 2. Examine me, Lord, and prove me. Try my heart and my mind. 3. For your loving kindness is before my eyes. I have walked in your truth. 4. I have not sat with deceitful men, neither will I go in with hypocrites. 5. I hate the assembly of evildoers, and will not sit with the wicked. 6. I will wash my hands in innocence, so I will go about your altar, Lord. 7. That I may make the voice of thanksgiving to be heard, and tell of all your wondrous deeds. 8. Lord, I love the habitation of your house, the place where your glory dwells. 9. Don't gather my soul with sinners, nor my life with bloodthirsty men. 10. In whose hands is wickedness. Their right hand is full of bribes. 11. But as for me, I will walk in my integrity. Redeem me and be merciful to me. 12. My foot stands in an even place. In the congregations I will bless the Lord. The first book of Psalms, chapter 27, verses 1 to 14. By David. 1. The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? The Lord is the strength of my life. Of whom shall I be afraid? 2. When evildoers came at me to eat up my flesh, even my adversaries and my foes, they stumbled and fell. 3. Though an army should encamp against me, my heart shall not fear. Though war should rise against me, even then I will be confident. 4. One thing I have asked of the Lord, that I will seek after, that I may dwell in the Lord's house all the days of my life, to see the Lord's beauty, and to inquire in his temple. 5. For in the day of trouble, he will keep me secretly in his pavilion. In the secret place of his tabernacle, he will hide me. He will lift me up on a rock. 6. Now my head will be lifted up above my enemies around me. I will offer sacrifices of joy in his tent. I will sing, yes, I will sing praises to the Lord. 7. Hear, Lord, when I cry with my voice. Have mercy also on me, and answer me. 8. When you said, seek my face, my heart said to you, I will seek your face, Lord. 9. Don't hide your face from me. Don't put your servant away in anger. You have been my help. Don't abandon me, neither forsake me, God of my salvation. 10. When my father and my mother forsake me, then the Lord will take me up. 11. Teach me your way, Lord. Lead me in a straight path because of my enemies. 12. Don't deliver me over to the desire of my adversaries, for false witnesses have risen up against me, such as breathe out cruelty. 13. I am still confident of this. I will see the goodness of the Lord in the land of the living. 14. Wait for the Lord. Be strong, and let your heart take courage. Yes, wait for the Lord. The first book of Psalms, chapter 28, verses 1 to 9, by David. 1. To you, Lord, I call. My rock, don't be deaf to me, lest, if you are silent to me, I would become like those who go down into the pit. 2. Hear the voice of my petitions when I cry to you, when I lift up my hands toward your most holy place. 3. Don't draw me away with the wicked, with the workers of iniquity who speak peace with their neighbors, but mischief is in their hearts. 4. Give them according to their work, and according to the wickedness of their doings. Give them according to the operation of their hands. Bring back on them what they deserve. 5. Because they don't respect the works of the Lord, nor the operation of his hands, he will break them down and not build them up. 6. Blessed be the Lord, because he has heard the voice of my petitions. 7. The Lord is my strength and my shield. My heart has trusted in him, and I am helped. Therefore my heart greatly rejoices. With my song I will thank him. 8. The Lord is their strength. He is a stronghold of salvation to his anointed. 9. Save your people, and bless your inheritance. Be their shepherd also, and bear them up forever. The first book of Psalms, chapter 29, verses 1 to 11. A psalm by David. 1. Ascribe to the Lord, you sons of the mighty. Ascribe to the Lord glory and strength. 2. Ascribe to the Lord the glory due to his name. Worship the Lord in holy array. 3. The Lord's voice is on the waters. The God of glory thunders, even the Lord on many waters. 4. The Lord's voice is powerful. The Lord's voice is full of majesty. 5. The Lord's voice breaks the cedars. Yes, the Lord breaks in pieces the cedars of Lebanon. 6. He makes them also to skip like a calf. Lebanon in Syrian like a young wild ox. 7. The Lord's voice strikes with flashes of lightning. 8. The Lord's voice shakes the wilderness. The Lord shakes the wilderness of Kadesh. 9. The Lord's voice makes the deer calve and strips the forest bare. In his temple, everything says, Glory. 10. The Lord sat enthroned at the flood. Yes, the Lord sits as king forever. 11. The Lord will give strength to his people. The Lord will bless his people with peace. The first book of Psalms, chapter 30, verses 1 to 12. A song for the dedication of the temple. By David. 1. I will extol you, Lord, for you have raised me up and have not made my foes to rejoice over me. 2. Lord my God, I cried to you, and you have healed me. 3. Lord, you have brought up my soul from Sheol. You have kept me alive, that I should not go down to the pit. 4. Sing praise to the Lord, you saints of his. Give thanks to his holy name. 5. For his anger is but for a moment. His favor is for a lifetime. Weeping may stay for the night, but joy comes in the morning. 6. As for me, I said in my prosperity, I shall never be moved. 7. You, Lord, when you favored me, made my mountain stand strong. But when you hid your face, I was troubled. 8. I cried to you, Lord. I made supplication to the Lord. 9. What profit is there in my destruction, if I go down to the pit? Shall the dust praise you? Shall it declare your truth? 10. Hear, Lord, and have mercy on me. Lord, be my helper. 11. You have turned my mourning into dancing for me. You have removed my sackcloth and clothed me with gladness. 12. To the end that my heart may sing praise to you and not be silent. Lord my God, I will give thanks to you forever. Thank you so much for joining me watching and learning about the first book of Psalms, chapter 26, verses 1 to 12. The first book of Psalms, chapter 27, verses 1 to 14. The first book of Psalms, chapter 28, verses 1 to 9. The first book of Psalms, chapter 29, verses 1 to 11. And the first book of Psalms, chapter 30, verses 1 to 12. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more great up and coming pet facts, Bible study, music, and bedtime stories. Good night and sweet dreams until next time.